Hey everyone, Arun this side, and today in this video, I will be providing you the solution of this question, question number 19 from the Management Introduction to Management Science, the Silver Star Bicycle Company question. So this question I have solved using Excel solver. So this question, these all are the constants that they have defined here, and this is a tabular format where they have provided the data, and then these all are the constants they have provided here in the question. Then again, this question is divided into two parts. First is we need to establish the production schedule, and the next one is if we change the constraints, then what will be the impact and how much will the cost increase and what will be the recommendation. So here's the solution. So I have used all these variables as a formulation part, where this model is the minimum constraints, where we are dealing with the minimum profit, and X11, X21, 12, 22, S11, 21, 12, and 22. These all are the variables that I have assigned for each month. And then this one is our minimum profit. And then this one is all our equations that we have formed. So in all, we have around 10 equations here. And I have used Excel solver where we have decision variables. These all are the decision variables using Excel solver, and these all are the constraints that I have defined here. These are the naming conventions, and this one is all our constants as per the question that is defined. So our solution is 67,156, and these all are the optimal value solutions. Again, they are for the part B. I have used again Excel solver to solve this question, and our answer is here. I have provided the full definitions in the Excel file, and this one is our sensitivity report, and this one is the answer one report. So to get this solution, you can just reach me out over my WhatsApp and email address, which I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions, or you can just reach me out freely whenever you find any issues, or let me know your queries. And it's nice it's nice that you have watched this video, and thank you. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.